Welcome to the channel. This video is going to go over purchasing Tron using Binance. So I've noticed the Tron coin on the highest changed in the 24-hour market cap. So I've noticed it on here a few times and it's only around 7 cents right now. So I like to go on here and purchase some of these coins when they're cheap like this. I know this has a lot of coins in circulation, so maybe it's not that cheap when you look at how many coins are in circulation, but I'm seeing it down here, even though, I think it can go up. So I'm just going to spend maybe $100 or so and purchase some of these because you never know what's going to happen in the future. I looked at Tron a little bit. What Tron is, it looks like it's trying to be like a decentralized content management system. So you can, I don't know, sounds like you can upload data, maybe images or a newsletter or music, say, and then the data is on the blockchain, and then you can charge people to access that on the blockchain, and maybe a newer type of subscription service. It looks like something along the lines of what they're trying to do, which is, cool idea. A lot of these coins have cool ideas, but I'm just going to purchase some of these because it's so cheap right now, and I'm going to go through Binance to do it. This is one of the markets or the exchanges that's trading these coins. And on Binance, you have to use Bitcoin. So because the Bitcoin transaction fees are so high right now, unless you're using a SegWit address, then I suggest you use a different exchange. Or a different currency. So what I did, I used Bitcoin Cash. If you use Coinbase, you can use Bitcoin Cash, send it to Binance. I'll put a link in the description for Binance. Send your currency from Coinbase or access any other wallet. Just go to send and send it to the receiving address in Binance. So you go to funds at the top, and the right, it says deposits and withdrawals, and then choose the one where you want to deposit to. I chose Bitcoin Cash and just click deposit. It's going to create an address for here. It might be blank for a minute and it'll automatically generate an address after a few seconds. Copy that, and that's the one you want to send your tokens to. And then on Binance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell the Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin, and then I will use that to purchase the Tron coin. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to go to exchange to the left, go to basic up there at the top, and then over here on the right in the search box, let's go to BCC. That's the Bitcoin Cash coin code. I know BCC is BitConnect on some exchanges and on CoinMarketCap, but on a lot of exchanges, BCC is Bitcoin Cash. So on here, that's how it is. So this is Bitcoin Cash, and you can double check just to make sure. If you go to funds and you go to, this is all the tokens on Binance. So there's a lot of coins on here that you can exchange, which is another reason to use this exchange. But to verify that BCC is Bitcoin Cash, it says right here. So I don't think BitConnect is even on this exchange, to tell you the truth. But yeah, so let's go here, go up here, say BCC. So it's BCC to BTC, which is what we want to do. And we're going to sell our Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin. So let's go here. Looks like we have 0.05 of that. We'll do the max amount, 100%. And then sell BCC. Down here's the order. Did not get filled yet. So then once you do this, we're just going to have to wait for this to go through the system. Not sure how long that's going to take.
20 minutes later.
So this still has not went through yet. The sell order is just not completing. I'm going to cancel that. If it doesn't sell right away, you can just cancel it and go back, place a new order. Sometimes the price changes so fast that if you don't get it in there right away, it might not sell. So if you can get it at the newest price, see, that one's sold already. So, okay, let's go to funds and withdrawals. So right now I have Bitcoin, a little bit of Bitcoin. So now I'm going to go to exchange and basic. We're going to go to, what is the Tron? TRX, BTC. We want to buy Tron. So let's see. We can get 2,000 Tron. Looks for the amount. So click buy. So you pretty much just click 100%. That's going to use 100% of your balance. Otherwise, you can just tell it how many Tron you want. or how much BTC you want to spend. So I just wanted to use all of it and get that much, as much as I could in that. So just to verify, go to funds and deposit withdrawals at the top. So now I have 2,000 Tron. And so let's look at this Tron website to see which wallet we should use. I never like to leave the coins on exchanges because if the exchange gets hacked, you could lose all your tokens. Or if they shut down or decide to block you, it's just not a good idea to leave tokens or coins on any exchange if you don't have to. Looks like they want you to create an account for the web page. Okay, so once you sign in, create your account, activate it. It's kind of in Chinese. You can translate it with Google Chrome. I know some people are sending their tracks here, their Tron tokens or coins, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave them on Binance for now. But if you want to try it, you can go and create your account here. Let me know if you have or if you've done it this way. That's how you would purchase your Tron, and there's a lot of other tokens on Binance that you can do and be the similar process. That's about it for this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and peace.